My name is Brock Johnston, and I'm the Director of Innovation at FLT. Basically, I look out for making sure that our products are as leading edge as possible, so that everything that we do is as good as it can be. I keep track of all of the different performance capabilities of our lights and figure out where our biggest opportunities for improvement are. The initiative for our projects, whether to make a new light or whether to upgrade a light, come mostly from hearing from the market and what customers are asking for. Sometimes it's issues they're having with our existing lights, things they wish were better or brighter or easier to use, and we'll take that information and then we'll create a project to make some improvement, like with our SCL2. The SCL2 is one of our biggest selling lights. It's been one of our main product lines. There are thousands of them around North America. We've been making it for a long time. We've learned a lot about its strengths and about the things that we would like to improve. One of the main aspects of this improvement project was to come up with a way to install it much more easily. We've really wanted to make it easier for the customer. It's somewhat inspired by a mount that we designed for our round luminaire. Basically, you mount a cleat to the pole and you simply just hang the light on that cleat and it's pretty much done. It's super easy. You don't need two people. It's much, much easier to do.
This is the updated SCL2. This one has the new light engine, but it also has our new mount. It's just simply a matter of doing that.
The installation will be faster, so you'll pay less hourly rate for those people that are doing the install. But if you're actually the person doing the install itself, it's just going to be way easier. You're going to be able to get more done. It's going to be less trouble. And then once it's installed, as a customer, you're going to be getting more light. We wanted to increase the lumen output, make the light as bright as possible. We've redesigned our light engine, which is where the LEDs are, to use a more efficient LED, also to treat the LEDs better, getting the heat out of the LEDs more efficiently, and also a new optic, which has a better sealing capability, so it's more robust to the environment, better waterproofing. For the same product that we used to sell, the new one will put out more light, it'll be brighter, it'll do better in areas that have less sun, it'll be an improvement in the usability of it, and actually looks a bit nicer too. It's got some visual improvements. It'll overall just give you a better result. We're very focused on our customers. We want them to use our light after installing it and having it run for a while, go like, why would I choose anything else? If we make our lives for our customers better, they're going to want to use our products.